Hi Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. We are super excited to share with you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create this super trendy glow-in-the-dark cloud mani. Start your manicure by prepping the nails. You'll need to gently push back cuticles. Make sure there is no dead tissue left on your nails. Next, lightly buff your nails along the tops and sides to give them a matte look. This will make the manicure stick to your nails much better. Next, grab your essential liquids. In the Essential Pro Kit, you'll find 5 bottles: primer, base coat, activator, top coat, and brush saver. If you've experienced lifting in the past, try our Rossi primer by applying it to the whole nail before starting your mani. Wait 5 seconds for the primer to fully air dry. If you don't have the primer, we recommend you to swipe the nails with alcohol or pure acetone. The first shade we are going to use now is called Scuba Diving. It's just the perfect shade of blue that will create a beautiful background for our cloud design. Apply Rossi base coat to the full nail and dip at a 45-degree angle into the jar. Tap the finger to remove excess powder. Repeat on all nails. Brush off the excess powder with a clean, fluffy brush after finishing one hand. Don't brush off straight away. It's better to let the base absorb the powder. For the next layer of powder, we will use Bear With Me. It's a special powder that is mostly transparent, but it glows blue in the dark. Use thin layers of base coat and dip the nail immediately after applying the base coat layer. Remember to dip the nail into the powder at a 45-degree angle to ensure a smooth powder surface. Tap the finger to remove excess powder. Brush off the excess powder. You can choose to add another layer of Bear With Me to get a stronger fluorescent look. Dip powder air dries and hardens to an acrylic-like feel after application of the Rossi Activator liquid. Liberally apply Rossi Activator and wait 2 minutes for the nail to harden. Buff the nails to achieve the preferred thickness and shape. Go over the entire surface to even out any imperfections. After the buffing, remove the filing dust using a lint-free pad soaked in alcohol. For the next part, you'll need a white gel polish color called White Dreams. Apply a drop on a palette for an easier use. There are many different ways you can create clouds on your nails, and today we're going to show you a few examples. The first one is using an ordinary Q-tip. Dab a cotton swab into gel and dab it randomly onto your nail. The Q-tip method is perfect if you want to create abstract clouds. Another method is a dotting tool. Simply create little dots touching each other to make an outline shape. Fill in the missing spaces with more white gel polish. If you're looking for a more abstract look, apply a layer of gel polish top coat and don't cure. With a nail art brush, introduce some of the white polish. Simply swirl the brush around. With this, you don't really need to be precise. Now it's time for our last and our favorite method. Draw the highest point of the cloud and work down to the sides. Alternate in placement and sizes. Blend the bottom part of the cloud by diluting the pigment on the brush in top coat gel. You can take as much time as you need. There's no rush as the gel polish won't dry until it's placed in the lamp. After you're happy with the results, place your hand under the Rossi LED nail lamp for 30 seconds. Apply Rossi gel top coat onto each nail to prevent chipping and add shine. Cure for 60 seconds in the Rossi LED nail lamp. Massage Rossi Nourish Cuticle Oil into the skin surrounding the nail plate. We recommend you to use it 3 to 4 times a week to keep your cuticles and nails hydrated. Thanks for watching. We love all the variations as they offer a little something for everyone. Let us know in the comments which method is your favorite. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more weekly tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Bye Rossi babes!